I'm a legend. I'm a legend. I'm a legend.
Hey guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our new fender flares on your HD11 Defender. For the first step of the install process, you'll want to go ahead and bolt your front upper and front lower fender flares together. You'll use the 1/4 inch hardware provided in the hardware kit. Once you have both screws and nuts started, you can tighten them up using a 5/32 Allen wrench and a 7/16 socket. With your front fender flare bolted together, you can now use it as a template to mark your holes to drill into your plastics that we'll use for our fender clips to mount the fender flare. You'll want to make sure that the fender flare is sitting nice and flush up against the body of the vehicle before you mark any of your holes, because once you drill them, that's the position the fender flare will be mounted in. Once you're happy with the fitment, you can go ahead and take a Sharpie and mark your holes to be drilled out. With your holes drilled, you can go ahead and deburr the hole so that your fender clip installs nice and flush. We'll go ahead and loosely fasten our fender flare, drill our remaining holes, and install our remaining fasteners. With our holes drilled, we can go ahead and install our fender flare. We'll use our fender clips. You want to start fastening them one at a time. Once you have a few in place, if there's any remaining holes that you haven't drilled, you can hold the fender flare in place and drill through the fender flare using it as a template. This will result in the easiest fitment as the hole is drilled directly where it needs to be. We can go ahead and repeat the same process for our rear fender flares. Our rear fender flares are broken up into 2 sections. This will allow the bed to fully pivot as normal. So you want to make sure that the upper fender flare is over the lower fender flare. With the fender flares in position, you can go ahead and mark your holes and prepare to drill them out using our 5/16 drill bit. With our holes marked, we can go ahead and drill them out using our 5/16 drill bit. It'll be the same process we did on the front. Here you can see all of our mount holes drilled out. We can go ahead and install our upper fender flare, followed by our lower fender flare. Just a reminder, we'll use our UTV fender clips. You'll want to go ahead and hold the fender flare in position and install the clip into the pre-drilled holes. With your upper fender flare securely fastened to the vehicle, we'll go ahead and repeat the same process for our lower. We'll use the same fender clips. Once we get that all tight, we'll be ready to move on to the other side. With all your fasteners installed, you're ready to hit the trails and enjoy your new Thumper Fab fender flares for your HD11 Defender.